Hello and welcome to Yes We Can, Learning Opportunity in Crisis. Here is the special item wonderfully presented in the morning assembly by the students of class 3 of 𝗕𝗏𝗃 IOC 𝗬𝗏𝗃 Guwahati.
Good morning everyone. My name is 𝗕𝗏𝗃 from class 3, 𝗕𝗏𝗃 IOC 𝗬𝗏𝗃 Guwahati. Present myself as Mahatma Gandhi under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Be careful little eye what you see. Be careful little eye what you see. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little eye what you see. Be careful little ears what you hear. Be careful little ears what you hear. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little ears what you hear. Be careful little tongue what you speak. Be careful little tongue what you speak. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little tongue what you speak. Be careful little hand what you do. Be careful little hand what you do. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little hand what you do. Be careful little feet where you go. Be careful little feet where you go. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little feet where you go. Be careful little mind what you think. Be careful little mind what you think. There is one what you do, knows well when you do. So be careful little mind what you think. Be a good citizen and a proud Indian. Be a good citizen and a proud Indian. Be of some use to your society. Be of some use to your society. Be of some use to your society. Thank you. Thank you.
Scout Guard, let's go! We all who are present here witnessed a wonderful morning assembly today presented by class 3. Well programmed, well practiced, well coordinated, properly oriented, properly choreographed, properly designed, properly practiced, properly memorized, and what not. This is why we say that the 𝗕𝗏𝗃 Sangathan is the brand in the educational arena of the entire country. We all, and you all, must be proud of being a 𝗕𝗏𝗃ian. The students of class 3 presented the morning assembly in such a way as if we are seeing some wonderful cultural program in some big organization, under the banner of some big organization somewhere. It's so nice, so clear, very properly, very, I don't find any word to praise this one. And the same level is expected from all. I on behalf of the entire Vidyalaya family, congratulate class 3 students, the presenting morning assembly presenting team, and the teacher Champa Singha madam for showing us such wonderful morning assembly and setting such a landmark for all of us.
Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel Yes We Can, Learning Opportunity in Crisis for more upcoming videos.